Top tips and advice for camping fun. Is camping something you'd like to do in the near future? You have to plan for a camping trip regardless of how long you will be gone. The information in this video can ensure that your next camping trip is as relaxing and fun as you desire. When packing for your camping adventure, make sure you pack only what you need for mealtimes. If you are at the campground, your food will have to stay cold so it does not spoil. If you are on the trail, any additional or excess food can be a burden. If you pack just enough food for the time you are on the trail, you will not be weighed down by excess weight. Make sure that you avoid any venomous plants. A good way to do this is to stop at the ranger station and ask what kinds of poisonous plants are in the area so you can identify them if you come into contact with them on the trail. Never eat anything while hiking on the trail if you do not know it is edible. Make sure that you find out what sort of weather is forecast for the place that you are going to be camping at. There are numerous websites that can provide you with this information. When you have accurate weather information, the right clothing and equipment can be included in your supplies. Make sure you buy a tent that is big enough for your needs. Many people find themselves crowded in a tent for no reason. Tents are lightweight and very compact, so there is no reason not to have enough space when you buy a tent. Make sure you're buying for comfort. When you are heading out for that long-awaited camping trip, don't forget to take along your cell phone. You may be tempted to leave all the texting and calls behind, but your cell phone can be one of your most important safety lifelines in the event of an emergency. Make sure it is fully charged and keep it protected from the elements in a plastic bag or waterproof case. If you're new to camping, you're going to want to arrive early to the campground. The reason for this is you will be new to the campground site and rules, and this will slow you down. You don't want to be stuck setting up camp after dark, so just arrive a little earlier than you usually would. You are now armed with the information you need to plan a successful trip. Many of the same preparations are required for an overnight stay as are needed for a longer trip. Make use of your research and start planning for your camping trip today. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.